Welcome to the fascinating world of DALL-E 3, a revolutionary leap in AI-driven digital art. This cutting-edge model transforms text prompts into stunning, detailed images, setting a new standard in image generation. Unlike traditional methods, DALL-E 3 stands out due to its unique ability to interpret and visualize complex descriptions with uncanny precision, reshaping the digital art landscape. Let's explore how this incredible capability is transforming creativity and efficiency in the art world. Now that we've set the stage for DALL-E 3, let's delve into the challenges of creating high-quality images from text descriptions using traditional methods. Conventional approaches often demand significant time and resource investment, yet may still fall short in achieving the desired detail and accuracy. These methods typically require manual input and refinement, making the process inefficient for large-scale or complex image generation tasks. This is where DALL-E 3 truly shines, offering an automated and precise solution. Building on the limitations of traditional methods, DALL-E 3 employs an advanced neural network architecture designed to interpret text prompts into detailed visual outputs. At its core, DALL-E 3 uses a transformer-based model to understand the intricacies of language. The architecture progresses through stages, starting with text encoding where the input prompt is broken down and analyzed in linguistic terms. This encoded text is then translated into image features through a sophisticated system of layers within the neural network. Finally, the image frame synthesis layers generate the high-quality, lifelike image, embodying the descriptive elements of the initial prompt. This entire process is optimized to produce results that are both rapid and resource-efficient. Now, let's see DALL-E 3 in action using Python. We will walk through a simple script that calls DALL-E 3's API to generate an image from a text prompt. By utilizing the OpenAI library, we can send a descriptive phrase like, "a futuristic cityscape at sunset" to the API, specifying the desired image size. The API processes the prompt and returns a URL where the generated image can be accessed. This method allows you to quickly transform creative ideas into visual art, showcasing the power and efficiency of DALL-E 3. Following our demonstration with the DALL-E 3 API, it's crucial to address best practices and common pitfalls. First, ensure your prompts are detailed and specific, as vague descriptions can lead to unexpected results. Additionally, be mindful of resource management. Generating high-resolution images can be computationally intensive, so optimizing your workflow and resources is vital to maintaining efficiency. By implementing these strategies, you can maximize the potential of DALL-E 3 while avoiding common setbacks. As we wrap up, remember the key takeaways. DALL-E 3 offers a revolutionary approach to image generation, enabling creatives to unlock endless potential from simple text prompts. By understanding its architecture and optimizing your prompt strategies, you can create stunning visuals efficiently. We encourage you to experiment with DALL-E 3, share your unique creations, and join our community in exploring the boundaries of AI-driven art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below.